Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. As oranges are in season, and here I am preparing a very refreshing orange cake. So let's get started. Here, as you can see, I have a bowl into which I am going to add 1.5 orange. I have just cut the orange into big chunks and I have removed the seeds. Now directly pour the oranges into the bowl. Here you can also use the mixer grinder. You can add all these ingredients directly into the mixer jar. And here I have added 1 cup of sugar along with half cup of vegetable oil. I have used canola oil. You can use butter as well. Followed by 3 eggs. And yes, if you want to prepare it eggless, you can add half bowl of curd and 2 teaspoons of vinegar at the end before popping it into the oven. And here I have added just a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of orange zest. Now just blend it. And here you can use the electric whisker or blender, any gadget that you have, or you can simply pour in all the ingredients into the mixer jar and blend it well. So here I am just adding the dry mix, and here goes 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, followed by 2 teaspoons of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Now just add the dry mix into the wet mix. And now gently give it a good mix. Here I have set the temperature of oven at 180 degrees centigrade and I have preheated it. So our lump-free mixture is ready. Now just pour it into an oven-proof container. I have greased the container with some oil and all-purpose flour. And now gently tap this container 2 to 3 times so that there are no air bubbles into the mixture. And just pop it into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. And in 30 minutes, our refreshing, yummy orange tea time cake will be ready. And believe me, this tastes awesome that you must give it a try. And for some extra orange flavor, here I am just pouring some orange juice over it. And believe me guys, this cake is so delicious. Please give it a try.